How to reduce the cost of CNC laser galvanometer shell? The shell of this laser galvanometer needs to be machined with square materials according to traditional CNC machining method. CNC machining will take 35 minutes, which is a waste of material. CNC machining cost is beyond the customer's acceptable range. In order to meet customers' needs, our engineers optimized the process and finally chose cold forging and CNC machining technology. According to the requirements on customers' drawing, we make the shape of laser galvanometer shell by cold forging first, and then make T6 heat treatment to thicken the material thickness. Finally, mill out 5 surfaces by 3 plus 2 CNC machining at one time, and the processing is completed. Not only it shortened the CNC machining time by 12 minutes, it also reduced the machining cost by 60%. That's all for today. If you have any questions related to CNC machining, please leave a message.